Punta kami ngayon ng Mount Noro. May nakasabay kami dito. May crush din. Ikot-ikot na siya. Ngayon, kasama ko si Ian. Si Daryl. Ah, tama ka? Mount Noro. Kasama kami ngayon tayo. Samahan nyo kami sa pagbabay ulit ngayon. Kasi walang pasok.
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Michi pala kami. Last gist na lang. Last gist. Doon na kayo makakarating doon. At Daryl, harapan ko. Ano bang bridge to? Boundary ng Onomichi at saka Matsunaga. Onomichi na. Kami sa Onomichi. Sakayan na puntang taka ng Imabari. Dito kami dadaan. Utang ko rin.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.
So guys, kumain muna kami sa dito sa 7-Eleven Mihara para may energy pa papuntang Kure sa papuntang Mount Noro. Ano? Daryl, kain muna. Tapos ngayon takbo na naman.
Almasal bago mag-ride.
Okay, naiwan. Ganda ng view. Guys, Wala lang mahabang ahon. Ahon. Mababa ito. Ay, Daryl oh.
Meron pang mahaba mamaya.
Pero,
Kaya yung noon na yun.
oo. Meron pa, mababa pa yung Mount Noro na yun.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day.
Maiksi lang pala. Ito lang ba yung tunnel? Pahinga muna sa 7-Eleven. Nagutom na.
Pagod.
Maya punta na kami doon sa sinasabing Mount Noro. Malayo pa yun. Malayo pa. Padyak pa kami, may akatin pa kami doon eh.
May 30 km kaya to?
Yung papunta doon?
Oo.
Wala siguro, wala.
Masarap.
Masarap. Masarap.
Masarap. Yeah.
Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Ingat, ingat. Ingat. Yes, kita. Yan. Nah, lang Mount Noro.
Isa lang ano, Mount Noro.
Ayan o.
Try natin ito.
Coros, 8 km.
Ilang years mo bago ulit nakakyat?
Tagal na.
Taon na higit?
Taon na hindi nakakit dito. Oh, highway pa tayo nito. Oh guys, ahon. Ayan o.
Kapagod. Umpisa pa lang.
Bisa pa lang. Hindi pa nakapunta mismong Mount Noro. Ano? Yatin pa. Woo! Kaya.
Tagal kong binabalak mag-ahon sa Noro eh. Kaya tag-araw pa. Lapit na tayo mag 100 km. Sakto siguro pagdating sa Noro, 100.
8, di ba?
Oo. Ayun ko yung anak, tubig. Kailan na lang. Anak.
Sa pakiramdam eh. Mabigat lang. Mas masarap pakiramdam yung lamig.
Lamig.
kami ngayon sa Mount Noro. Akit pa lang. Yan o, Mount Noro. Ano, kailangan ng kwan? Blue Edition. Wala nang Red Bull. Pahinga muna, kakarating lang namin. Yung bike namin, no? Pahinga muna kunti bago anliahon dyan sa Mount Noro. Pangalawang punta ko dito, Darrell. First time pa lang. Ito, first time ahonin. Titingnan natin kung talagang ahonin talaga to. Last pack na eh, ahon pa.
Bungat pa nga lang. Ano eh. Bungat pa nga lang.
Oo.
Tukod na eh.
Quad pa lang, ang tawag dito. Dadaan pa lang doon sa bukid.
Papunta pa lang eh. Tumukod na. Paano na lang kaya mamaya?
Ayan o, Mount Noro 8 km. Mount Noro. Mount Noro. Ayan. Yung map nila. Ayan o.
Kaya yan.
Kaya no? Kaya.
Wala, no choice naman eh.
No choice. Guys, 10% gradient, no? Yan, akyatin namin ni Mansili, ni Darrell. Hingal na yung yan, no? Anlihaon no.
Asya pa rin yun.
Ha?
Asya pa rin yun.
Sa yun?
Oo.
Saan dumaan yun?
Saan dumaan lang?
May daanan din sa kabila.
Unang tukod.
Guys,
I don't really know
buti malilim.
next.
Yan,
I'm
no?
just
Malilim.
doing my best.
pwede malilim kung mo dyan, yung mga ganyan, no?
Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Guys, nandito na kami na sa tulay.
I'm inspired by thirst. I'm inspired by worth.
Apoy.
I desire your worst, so you can just hide while
Nice.
I work. I ain't
Nice.
tired,
Pagka
you
ulit.
first.
Yan, ang ganda
I
ng
write a
view.
second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Pack na yung dalawa. Lapit na. Well guys, hanggang dito lang yung kuha namin. Akit doon sa Mount Noro.
Well,
Kasi dumaan yung manggagawa dito, yung Jin. Abunay daw yung kuan doon, yung view deck. Kaya sa ngayon,
nag-landslide kasi daw.
nag-landslide. Kaya ginagawa nila doon. May nahakot siyang kuan eh. Buhangin, bato, ganon.
Mga bato.
Niladala doon. Ayun yun,
Ayun,
doon doon.
yung landslide.
Oh. Kaya ngayon, balik na lang kami doon. Darrell.
Well, sinadya ko pa naman Noro tapos bawi na lang
Oh, bawi ano sakali. Pagbalik. Pagkatay natin ulit 'yan. Doon sa kabila, baba to sa kabila. Ayan, balik tayo doon. Tara. Sige. Game. Ingat yan, brada, sa bato.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Kami lang? Biglaan?
Tik na yan. Kahit saan talaga, kayo dalawa magkasama ba? Uy, sila ang tigra!
Ano?
Uy pa kayo? Uy pa kami? Walang tabaw bukas. Yo, wala akong tigra lahat, Taylor fans! Ano ba yan? Naka-record ba yan?
Oo.
Yo, words! Sana all!
Punta sana kami dyan.
Oh.
Ito, palitan ko sana.
Oh, tapos? Wala.
Wala, sarado.
Ay!
Sarado eh.
Ay, ba't parang mas magaan to?
Hindi, mabigat.
Yan. Ano?
Ay!
Uy, nakapower away oh.
Taro yan.
Malayo ang biyahe niyo ah.
Try.
Malayo pa to,
Rides mo, rides.
Mo pa na yung gamit?
Mount Noro.
Ah, no. Noro sa to, Fukuyama yo.
Fukuyama din.
Fukuyama ka. Fukuyama de. Ima ka kairo. Ima ka kairo. Fukuyama de. Sudah kenal sudah. Size ito? Tayo.
50 size, 50. Isa yung ano size?
Bagay pa sa akin to.
Oh, okay.
Arimas yo, Jumbo yo. Saan yung mga nagamit mo dati itong nagkota? Walang dili lahin no? Bago na diba?
Bago yan, bago.
Canon deal yun eh. Iba, Sanji ka. Practice yung magmaya ba no? Practice kaya practice no? Sa Elodie. Ultigraph pa. Ultigraph to lahat no? Magaan. Bahawa ka na ba no? Limang dinay ko. Mutu eh? Mutu. Sanji ko man. Kaya mo tututak kayo. Pinalilo ay bang. Oh, pinalilo. Oh, tuyo.
Bike check.
Bike check sana ulit tigra.
Pinarilo. Atim.
Sana ulit tigra lahat. Tigra no. Kaya palanggan eh. Doon kami galing o doon sa Montoro tos. Malayo, nahan pa doon pa. Ang gaan na ito, Mel. Mas magaan mo sa'yo, Mel. Magaan nga. Isa ka lang. Oo, kasi yung gaan yun, no? Super team na nilagay, maliit lang, no? Ano yung Lodi?
38 lang yan.
Oh, 38. Bago pa talaga 38 pa.
Ano sa'yo, 40?
50 yun.
50?
Kaya maha sa hangin, delikado yun.
Mano sa hangin, maganon, malikot.
Ito pa palitan ko. Saka sarado dyan. Sarado.
IP3.
Alin?
Hindi pa.
Marble yan.
Marble to eh. 200.
Kaya lumilipad dyan.
Yung driver lang yung pabagsak ang problema.
Ayun, baka lumipad sa bangil.
50 na pala next ko. Gawin ko pantandar trial yung bike isa. Pakyatang talaga. Yang kiro dahil.
Wala yan, mabigat yan.
Army na kara. Bisa. Ano? Meron pa to. Bago pa lang bigat to.
Saan din yan? Yan yung mga malalakas to. Mga legend. Legend. Yeah, malakas yan yo. Yeah, nangiiwan yan eh.
Bye-bye.
Next time ulit.
Oy, mag-chat ako mag-Mount Noro ta. Partidahan mo kayo, kita mo yung trend trial.
Oo. Sige.
Babawin na ako sa inyo sa pababa. Sa isna, tama na. Sorry ako kami. Oy, may magic. Ayaw lagi.
Sige. Bye.
Atlo sa lupuan niya. Problem pa rin eh. Magbajak na. Sige. Ingat.
Ano? Sige. Next time ulit.
Bye-bye, ingat.
Sige.
Bantayan niyo sa kologan. Tayo na lang yan.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in, we got some work, man. taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tired of losing. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, you made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like a man, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. Demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
Guys, kain muna kami dito sa McDo. Ayan o. Naglabas Daryl. Ayan o.
Si boss.
Kasama namin yung mga malalakas.
McDo mga kadong.
Bilas pag na.
Pero kumakain siguro tayo.
Sige. Oh,
Ayan,
salamat,
ayan.
salamat ha. Salamat.
Ingat tayo na.
Next time ulit.
Ah.
Magkakaisa sa'yo ulit.
Ingat ba
Sige, sige, bade.
Ayan,
Salamat.
kami na pag-prepare sana. Sige,
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
Para, dito na kami.
Ingat.
Ingat.
Sige, mata ni. Liaon. Maya-maya lusong nandyan. Makaka-recover tayo.
Tayo mga 45.
Oo. Pasensya na, hindi nyo na makita yung madilim. Yan na. Yan, maliwanag.
Hara City.
Bihara. Sakyan, meron. Yan nga, sakyan. Baba. Ikot natin meron.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violent.
Update guys. Bihara pala kami. Malayo pa. Bihara pala kami dalawang buha pa jack pauwi. Oy, bayan! Kami na!
Kuya ba?
Yan, may kabayan doon, no? Yan, no? Yan, no?
Parang kilala ko yung bike. Parang kilala ko yung bike niya yan ah. Kay Kuya te. Ay, Kuya mo yan? Oo.
Ayan!
Paikutin mo nga yan. Paikutin mo nga.
Ay! Ayan na.
Mas magaan yun. Ano mo yan?
Iyan mo yung
Explorer Studio.
Explore?
Oh, studio.
Amat lang sa'yo no
No?
mo.
Malupit to, naka-Ultegra eh.
Explorer.
Ano na yan?
Explorer. May art.
Ultegra lang yung rim.
Alin? Yung may art.
Ginagana ni Kuya eh.
Explorer, may art yung one.
Explorer.
Nakasabay ko lang yung kuya mo dati, ano kami,
Yun.
Washushan dati.
Yan, bago lang yan.
Yung rim
Subscribe tayo, subscribe.
Subscribe!
Subscribe.
Subscribe!
Ano yan? Lapit lang rin ma.
Mapapanood ito!
Pati lang yung ano, 28 kasi yun.
Oh, 28.
What's up? Saludo sa mama ko sa mabuti yung inanak niya.
Welcome to Bihara.
Yun, arigato!
Welcome to Mihara eh. Kami yung mga maingay at malulupit sa
Doon pala, rinig eh.
Wala masyado.
Masyado.
Ito sa kanya truck bike eh.
Mahal din yung ganyang frame eh, na magkano sa ganyang frame pa lang.
Original niya nasa 125.
Magkano mo nakuha?
Nakuha ko lang to Rokumang.
Sa Mercari marami, di ba?
Oo.
Dito ko
Yan na nakuha nun.
Mercari.
Kaso
Pati,
ba, parang
pati
di ko
ito.
kakayaan niya mag-fixing. Yung pinsa ko, naka-fixing din sila eh. May grupo sila sa Pilipinas.
Dito wala eh.
Hindi ko kakayanin, parang matatawag ako dyan.
Ay.
Una lang ba? Sa una lang ba?
Sa una lang.
Pag sanay ka na mag-road bike,
Ayun.
basta ano ka lang
Sa kanya
ba?
kasi mamahalo na yung bike niya eh.
Practice lang.
Tang-ubal to eh.
Kano
Tang-ubal,
yun?
oh.
Kaya nga eh.
Sa Super Tape pa lang, apat na
Alam niyo,
Oo.
Original yun eh. Jumang to, pero yung original ata nasa ni Jumang eh. Diba? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you and tomorrow and every
Ah, doon yung bye-bye oh. Doon yung bye-bye.
Kata na.
Ayun oh. Ay, gozaimasu.
Arigato.
Iba talaga pag mga ano, na single no.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Brad.
Okay, ingat.
Sige.
Sige, salamat.
Sige. Arigato. Chicks mo yun, ano? Ha? Guys, update. Nandito pala kami sa Onomichi. 9 na mahigit. Onomichi pa lang. Yan o. Dali sa unahan ko.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to
Guys, pahinga muna ng konti. Pahinga muna nito. Gatas. Kung ano? Naulas na. 10. 20 to na. Walang gabi. Guys, malapit na kami. Nasa Ashida River na kami. Ashida Bridge. Sa 200 na kami. Sa 200 km na kami, my guess. Pag yung dalawa. Ashida na kami, Ashida. Kuha na malamig na tubig. Salamat sa nanood. See you in the next cycling vlog. Nasa pag cycling vlog.